What's up, everybody? DeAngelo here. Hope you guys are having a fantastic day. And I wanted to make this video for you guys to give you an update on the whole Twitter thing. So, like I said, your boy is no longer sleeping on Twitter. Twitter, gold mine. Had no idea. It's like how everyone is still sleeping on Craigslist. Craigslist is still pretty good, even though it's definitely on the decline. Like, Craigslist has been on decline for a long time though. They just refuse to like get with the time. Like, it still looks exactly as it did and like them in their early 2000s. Like it's just not getting the program. The app sucks. And I already made a whole little rant video on Craigslist, but anyway, this is an account I just bought 4 hours ago, and check it out, guys. Right. So first thing I do when I buy these accounts is to go make a post right away. And as you can see, 4 hours ago, 153 clicks, just like that. So on Google, that could have been easy, low end, $80, depending on your cost per click or whatnot. But over on Google, you're normally spending like 50 cents, $1. It really just depends on the keywords and all that. So basically, let's just say low end, $80 worth of free advertising right there. And right now we got a 30% conversion rate. So you can do this in any niche. Like, it doesn't have to be just the adult niche or anything like that. Like any niche at all. You can go out, buy an account that's like, let's say it's making all posts about dog stuff, right? You go get one of those. It's already got followers. It's already getting the engagement, and everything you need. All you need to do is just keep posting the same way that they were, and boom, you just are going to start making passive income just like that. And a lot of the people that have these accounts, they just don't know how to monetize them. Like, let's say YouTube was like, oh, you can no longer run ads on your account. That's it. To them, oh, well, there's no point in even doing this anymore, so I'm just going to sell the whole account. When they don't realize they can do affiliate marketing, they can do CPA marketing, they can do, direct sales, sponsorships. Like, they can do all of that. But nope, they just get rid of the account because they don't know that they can do that or whatever, you know. But yeah, I'm telling you guys, if you have not been buying accounts, like, I would definitely make sure you look into it. Definitely make sure you do your research though, because you can get scammed out of money. I even got scammed out of $60. Well, technically, it was no one's fault but my own, because I didn't read the website or whatever. So I sent the crypto over or whatever, and turns out I couldn't use that money to actually purchase any accounts or anything like that. So I pretty much literally just gave them $60 for no reason. So you gotta really like, and then it's the way it's set up too. It's like it's meant for you to get scammed or whatever. But anyway, I'm still happy with the accounts and stuff that I've been getting or whatever. I got one guy, it was like two guys now that I go to, religiously for these accounts. Like I said, I'm trying to get up to 10,000 messages going out per day. Also, update on the little accounts. So the two brand new accounts that I made, both of those got shut down. All right, so one of them got shut down, like just shut down, and the other one got flagged to where I was like limited, and then it got shut down. So I'm thinking once you get flagged, and go limited, or you get limited or whatnot, you then from there just pretty much turn off the bots, right? And then you just, wait until your account isn't limited anymore, or you just use it, like regularly or something like that. Now, when it comes to the accounts that I've bought, I've actually had no problems whatsoever, because the way, they have everything done or whatever, they are literally getting hundreds of messages a day, like every day, all day, hundreds of messages, and they're sending out hundreds of messages every day. So it's like it's already done. Like it's just like the account is built up for me to be able to run and send out messages, literally hundreds of messages every day. So this is working out pretty good right now. And for the people that was asking where all this Twitter training is going to be at, all of it is going to be in, like I said, the new Team DeAngelo site. Everything is going in there. It's just a lot simpler than having like a bunch of different websites, and all that stuff. Like I said, obviously, I'm going to keep all of those up. You can just look at it like this. You go into the new Team DeAngelo site. Everything is just like right there, and you're getting a huge bargain on it when you just buy everything up front versus if you're buying everything in pieces. Like, you go spend 100 over here for the Cash App course, you go spend 250 over here, or 500 over here, or you just simply pay 1,000 and just get everything. So up to you at the end of the day. But yeah, guys, I'm telling you, Haven't been buying accounts, definitely recommend it. I've also been buying accounts over on Instagram, and you can get Instagram accounts dirt cheap. Like I bought one that had 1,000. Well, let me look real quick. It has 984 followers. Like an actual regular profile. Like not like some like it's just crazy because like you get people who actually just sell their whole profile, like the whole thing, you know. And for me, when I buy these accounts, I actually buy them. You know, I don't even care if I would hope the profile. I mean, the followers and stuff wouldn't be fake or whatever. But if they don't drop, I honestly wouldn't care. You know, because the way I use it is for authority, and that is it. Now everything else, that's a plus. You know what I'm saying? Like I said, the guys I've been going to, they're actually pretty legit. Like, I'm not gonna lie, I thought like a lot of the followers are gonna be scams, you know, or fake and all that stuff. Nope, like I said, literally make a post, boom, you're good to go, right? And you're getting actual clicks, you're getting conversions. Like, you're gonna pay a little premium, but it's definitely worth it or whatnot. But that is pretty much it, guys. Don't forget to like, subscribe, smash the notification bell. And I'll most likely be making a video here soon for free on the YouTube channel, going over, a lot of the stuff that I've been talking about over the last couple of days. Soon.